Are you having problems with the pneumatic door locks on your machine? Is the pneumatic door locks on your machine sticking? Well, in this video, we'll address some of those concerns. Pneumatic door locks are widely used in Haas machines to lock the operating door during machining operations. Now, there are times when these door locks fail to work correctly, and the number one cause is contamination in the air supply. A couple other factors could be the cause, but we can quickly rule those out, and here's how. There are three possible causes for problems with your pneumatic door locks. Is compressed air reaching the solenoid? Locate the door lock solenoid and manually engage it. Since we can hear pressurized air, we know there's air getting to the solenoid. 2. Is the solenoid firing correctly and sending air to the door lock's assembly? Close the operating door and command the spindle to run at 1,000 RPM. The door lock should engage. Now in this case, everything is working correctly. Now let's say the door lock is not engaging. This is how we'll troubleshoot this situation. Remove the bracket and disconnect the air supply line. Run the spindle at 1,000 RPM again. We can feel a strong air pressure up to this point, so we know the rest of the system is working correctly. Now we'll check the door locks for mechanical problems. 3. Is the door lock assembly functioning correctly when air is reaching it? Disconnect the sensor and disassemble the interlock body from the machine. Secure the interlock body and loosen all the fittings. This diagram shows you how the components are assembled. There may be some particulate contamination around the shaft and in the cavity of the housings. Particulates mixed with moisture can cause the piston O-rings to become gummy and jam the piston. Use a non-solvent cleaner to clean the components. This will help to protect the O-rings in the long run. Once the components are clean and dry, apply silicone lubrication to the bore in the housing, the O-rings, the springs in the piston. Reassemble the door lock by placing the O-ring in the bottom of the bore of the housing, then the piston, then finally the three fittings. Install the assembly back on the machine, reconnect the air supply line and sensor, and then test the system. So what we've discovered is that contaminated air can cause your pneumatic door locks to malfunction. So take the precaution to keep the air going to your machine clean and dry. For more information, visit HaasCNC.com, and thanks for watching.